Welcome to QuikCodes. In this video, we'll go through a lab simulation where we'll configure an IPv6 address on a web server. The web server is already up, so what we want to do is first go to the network status at the bottom. Click on Network and Internet Settings. Click on Ethernet. Change Adapter Options. In this you see, we'll look for the vEthernet external because that's the one we're modifying. Double click, go to Properties. We want to look for Internet Protocol version 6, which is here. So we'll click on it, go to Properties. Right now the system is set up to do, to assign the IPv6 addresses automatically, automatically. But we don't want to do that. We want to use our own information and assign it. So what we'll do is click on Use the following IPv6 address. We'll give the information accordingly. Now the thing about IPv6 is it's 128-bit. So if we just use the prefix, it'll be incomplete. But the prefix goes before the interface ID. And as you know, an IPv6 is going to be separated between the network/subnet and the interface ID. So let's take it. We're going to copy it. The prefix, colon, and we're going to add the interface ID. Next, as provided, it says the subnet prefix length is 64. I'm going to add the information. Since we don't have a default gateway given, we'll leave that blank. We'll leave everything else blank and we'll go to OK. I'm going to close. Going to close. Now, it asks us to do an IP config to verify the information. So, go to the start. Matter of fact, let's just go to the type box. Command prompt IP config. And what we're doing, we're just trying to verify that the system has received an IP address, preferably one that we put in, of course. And if you go to the vEthernet external, we see the same information. The IPv4, the prefix and such, all is here. And that's it.